In the last video, we learned how to delete a name from our database by selecting an ID and clicking a button. Now it's time to add another essential feature, updating existing names in the database. To do this, we define a new function that updates a row in our table. It takes the ID and the new name, then runs an SQL update command to make the change. We set the app title to update a name so the user knows what this part of the app is for. Next, we fetch all the current names just like before and extract the IDs into a list. We use a select box so the user can choose which name to update. Then we create a text input where the user can type the new name, and when the update button is clicked, we check if the name isn't empty and call the update function. If the update is successful, we show a nice success message. Let's run the app and take a look. You can launch the app with the same command as before. Let's try an update operation now. Now try selecting an ID, let's say the fifth one, and change the name. Boom! The list updates in real time, just like magic. Let's try updating another one. How about the second entry? That worked perfectly too. This feature gives users the ability to correct or change names easily without messing with the database directly. In the next video, we'll add a brand new feature to our app. See you in the next one.